Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this disc brake caliper toolkit from OTC, model number 7317A. As some of you may have seen, I use this kit on my Volvo to compress the rear calipers, which have a built-in parking brake mechanism. A link to this tool will be included in the video description. Many newer style vehicles are using setups like this, and a specialty tool is required to retract the pistons in order to install the new brake components. OTC is a commonly found brand used for professionals in the field, so it's great for people working at home as well. As you can see, the kit comes in a plastic blow mold carrying case, keeping everything neatly together so nothing gets lost. The case and latches features pivots, so you don't have to worry about the plastic bending and fatiguing over time, eventually breaking like other types of cases. It's intended for use on most GM, Ford, and imported vehicles such as Subaru, Honda, Nissan, Datsun, Toyota, Mazda, and Mitsubishi. There are various part numbers of all the items included in the kit, and this is shown on OTC's website. As a brief overview, included in the kit is a threaded plate, a 3/8" drive extension for your ratchet, and a center forcing screw. Next is various size piston adapters. This includes the 1.5", 1.11", inch and 7/8", 2 1/8", and 2 1/2. The threaded plate screws onto the center forcing screw. The 3/8" drive extension remains inside that forcing screw and can be removed if needed. Then selecting the correct size piston adapter, it locks into the extension, just like a socket, so it can be rotated along with pushing in the piston on the caliper. This kit is extremely well laid out, all the components are labeled, and it consists of carbon steel constructed with a black oxide coating to add some form of corrosion resistance. A high quality kit, definitely a must-have for professionals in the field, and if you're working from home, it'll pay for itself in one brake job. Have you purchased this product? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below to help out fellow viewers. New videos released every week on my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help for me, and thank you for watching.